Good morning class. As yesterday we have started with the exercises of workbook. Now today we are going to continue with the exercises in workbook only. Today we are going to do three exercises, exercise A, B and C. In these three exercises we have been given match the words with the feeling words with the expressions. In the first exercise we have been given some of the pictures and some of the feelings like happy, sad, sorrow, shy. You have to match those words with the pictures given in front of it. In the second one we have B exercise, that is match the words with the feeling they express, with the feeling they are expressing. And in the last one, that is fill in the blanks, in this you have to use the feeling words which we have read in the passage. So you have to fill those feeling words from the passage in the fill in the blanks. So open to page number 10 in your workbook and let us begin with the three exercises. Now, as I have told you that today we are going to do three exercises, that are A, B and C. These exercises on page number 11 and 12. In the first one you have to match the feeling with the words given over here. We have been given some of the faces over here. You have to match it from here. Word expressing feelings. A1 is match the feeling words with the correct expression. First one is joy. Joy is when we are very happy. So in these 6 pictures you can see the girl Joy over here. So join first one with the C1 like this and write over here C1. So you can do it anyway, as I am doing it in both the way. Second one is fear. So fear means fear when we darna. Fear is, so in this way this boy is in fear right now. So second one is D1. Also in front of D write number second. Anger. When someone is angry with someone. So this girl is angry right now over here. So join third one with A and write in A front of A write third. Shy. Feeling shy type of a nature. So fourth one is shy. This boy is feeling shy. So write fourth one in front of B1. Sad. This F1 is sad. So match fifth with F1 and write in front of F write 5. Sixth one is wonder. What a wonderful surprise when someone gets. So join 6 with E1 and write 6 in front of this. You can do it in a both way like this, or if you don't want to match it, then just write the numbers over here and turn to page number 12 now. In 12.1 also, B1 exercises match these words with the feeling they express. We have been given some of the words over here. You have to match these words with the feeling they are expressing. First one is happy. In a cheerful way with joy. So join first one with C1 like this and in front of C like number 1. Second one is curious. So in a way that shows interest or desire to know. When we are curious to know about something. So second one is E1. So in front of E1 write number 2. Third one is surprise. When we are surprised to feel something. So third one is A1. So in front of A write 3. A feeling when something happens unexpectedly. When something happens unexpectedly, then we are very surprised to see that. Fourth one is excited. feeling or showing enthusiasm. So fourth one is B1. Match it over here and write in front of B, right? Number 4. Fifth one is relieved. Glad or happy at something coming to an end. When we feel happy, when we do something good, we feel happy now. That is relieved. Feeling calm type. This in F1 in front of F, right? Number 5. Scared. Last one is afraid and frightened. So in front of D, right? Number 6, because it is the last one. Scared. 6. Now I hope you have got these two, match these words with the feelings. Even in the first one we have been given pictures, and in the B1 we have been given in a written form. So you have to match it. If you don't want to write, match these in two ways. You can match it like this, or you can put the numbers. You can choose any one of the option. It's optional for you all. Now let us move to C exercise. C exercises: complete the given sentences using feeling words from the previous questions. You have been given some of the feeling words, like these are the feeling words: happy, curious, surprised, excited, relieved, scared. These are all feeling type of a word. You have to complete these sentences using feeling words only. So complete the given sentences using feeling words from the previous questions. First sentence is: our dog was dashed to see my father when he returned home. Our dog was happy. Our dog was happy to see my father when he returned home. Second one is: I felt dashed when it stopped raining. I felt relieved when it stopped raining. Third one is: Biren was dashed to see his friend after so many years. Biren was excited. So write excited over here, to see his friend after so many years. Fourth one is: the baby was dashed of the elephant at the zoo. The baby was scared of the elephant at the zoo. Fifth one is: Meera was dashed when she saw her friends with a birthday cake. Meera was surprised. When he saw her friends with a birthday cake. The last one is, that is the sixth one: the little girl was dashed to know more about the book. The little girl was curious. Was very curious to know more about the books. Now here we complete with the A, B and C exercise on page number 11 and 12. You have to do these exercises in your workbook only. Don't write anything in your fair notebooks. Just do these 3 exercises in your books only. Homework for you all is you have to learn the back exercises of chapter 3, the magic letter, from your course book only. Thank you.